Breaking news, Paul Manafort's lawyer, Kevin Downing, outside of the federal courthouse here in Washington. Let's listen.
In the courtroom today, what I'm about to say will not be a surprise. Judge Jackson conceded that there was absolutely no evidence of any Russian collusion in this case. So that makes two courts have ruled no evidence of any collusion with any Russian.
That's not what she
Part
said.
number two. Very sad.
That's not what she said.
Very sad
That's not what
day
she said.
for such a callous,
Liar.
harsh sentence that is totally unnecessary. Much like this.
You guys are liars now. You're not lawyers. You're liars.
A brief statement there from Kevin Downing, Paul Manafort's lead attorney, saying, this I guess was somewhat predictable, some protesters there saying it's not what the judge said, but Kevin Downing saying Judge Jackson making clear today there was no Russian collusion. That has been a trademark play for Paul Manafort's lawyer outside of court. When he leaves these hearings, you see him now walking down the streets with the inevitable cluster of cameramen chasing him. Some people, just passersby out there, some people who were in the courtroom clearly wanted to make a political statement as well, heckling as Kevin Downing spoke. But we talked about this a bit earlier. You might have thought there would be an additional comment at the end of this federal chapter for Paul Manafort. There's word there could be another court chapter for Paul Manafort just ahead. No Russian collusion. Speaking to the cameras, but really speaking to the President of the United States.
Yeah, I'm just struck how not subtle that was. And to your point, we should have expected it. We've seen it in their filings. We've seen it in their statements in the past. But there was literally nothing else that he had to say. And look, Kevin Downing's well known. His career is well known. He's a well-respected lawyer here in town. But yeah, I've been trying over the last couple of weeks to try and figure out, okay, what is the other angle here? Why do they keep making this point? It can't all just be about a pardon, or it can't all just be about speaking to the president. But it's really hard to think anything but that. And I can just tell you, to the extension of this, over the course of the last 20 minutes or so, I've received repeated texts from Republicans on Capitol Hill basically saying, he's totally going to pardon him, isn't he? Right. Out of sheer terror about what that would mean politically for them.